Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Trader Joe's haul, and this is a really quick video, and I'm having to do a voiceover because in the original sound my dishwasher was going and it sounded horrible. So to start off, these right here are the corn dogs that we get from Trader Joe's. I guess it's the only kind of corn dogs that they have, and my kids love them. Here's our chips. You know, I always get chips from there. We love the barbecue, the salt and vinegar, and the nacho cheese are all of our favorites. And then back here is the organic roasted vegetable pizza, which I actually cooked earlier this week. And this right here is basically like a supreme pizza. It's really good. And these are the nacho chips that I was talking about. My husband was actually supposed to get ground sausage, but he got sausage links, which is fine. I'm still going to cook them. I might make like pig in a blanket type things. Not really sure yet. Nacho cheese. These are awesome. They taste just like Doritos, or very similar to them, but much healthier. We love them. We eat them with so many foods, like soups and stuff. Cottage cheese, sour cream. I love both of those. I'm especially obsessed with cottage cheese right now, but I probably won't get it again because it does have, I believe it's pronounced carrageenan, so I won't be getting that again. And the buttermilk biscuits we use for chicken and dumplings, but I'm probably going to make the pig in a blankets, like I said, with the sausage links. I've heard a lot of good things about this mandarin orange chicken. We still haven't tried it yet, but I got it mostly for my son because he loves Panda Express mandarin orange chicken. So I'm really excited for all of us to try that. I got 2 bags of fries. We usually make them whenever I'm making fish sticks or corn dogs. This pizza right here we tried the other night and it was really good. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that. I don't know. I just called it a cheese pizza to my kids and they loved it. And here are the habanero and lime tortillas. We love those. This pizza crust is just awesome. We love it. We just had it last night, me and my kids did, and I made homemade pizza, cheese, and bacon pizza. There's the fish sticks, which I actually cooked the night of this video. We get 2 boxes of those, and we make fish tacos with them. This was our first time trying the dill pickle spears, and we love them. Me and my 2-year-old eat them almost every day. So, okay, that's all for this haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.